This is the front of my house here, and since Christmas season is upon us, I'm going to frame this entryway here with Christmas lights. I'm going to use these lights. They're only 24.5 feet worth in this roll. Nice little lights that are going to make a nice impression. I'm going to hold them in place with these easy cable clips. I got 25 here. So I'm also going to use this little hammer. I don't need a big, thick hammer. Just a little hammer will do. And then, of course, to get at that top beam up there, I'm going to use an 8-foot ladder. So let's get to it and begin. So I'm going to take this clip here, and I'm going to put it along this post down here at the bottom. And I'm just going to take a hammer and just hammer it in. Not too hard, just enough to get it into the wood. Because this is plastic, I don't want to break the plastic. So, yeah, that's good enough. And I'm going to measure about 15 to 16 inches because the total amount of space that I'm mounting these lights on is 322 inches. Divided it by 25 clips, I got like 15.5 inches. So I'm going to, put my next clip up here about 15.5 inches away. Again, just a little tap just to get it in. Don't need to smash this thing. Okay, see, this is the receptacle end here. So I covered it with duct tape to keep out any dirt or rain that's, could get in. And I'm going to start with this first one right here. So I'm just going to line this up there and just gently clip it in. And then I'm going to go up to the next one. And again, just gently, clip it in. The plastic's pretty pliable, so it's pretty easy. So there's a close-up right there of that one there. See how it's clipped in? And up to there. So basically I'm just going to continue on, going up about 15.5 inches each, putting a little clip in, and then putting the cable in. And I'm going to go up across the top of that beam to give it a little larger from the street, going to look a little larger entryway. And then I'm going to go along this, what I call baseboard here. And you can see it clipped in the receptacle in there, so it doesn't dangle down. And here's what it looks like. Going up that post, top of the beam I'm going across, because it frames it a little larger. And then down the side of the house there. And then up along the top of that baseboard. And that's where it ends. And again, this has a plug and a receptacle end. And on the receptacle end, I put the tape over it, again, to keep the rain and dirt out. Now I got an extension cord, and again, I taped around the extension cord the holes that I'm not using. And then I'm going to just plug the prongs into the receptacle end of the extension cord. And as you can see, I've already put a clip on the end of the extension cord here. So now I'm just going to hammer that down into the wood. And then once that's down, again, I'm going to measure about 15.5 inches and then put clips onto the extension cord. Okay, I used up all my clips. And then I run it underneath that baseboard. And I clipped up there too. And then I'm going to run it underneath this last post. And then right under the garage door. And it didn't interfere with the garage door operation or anything. And so that's what it looks like from the outside. Then on the inside, I'm in the garage. I'm connected to another extension cord. And I'm going to plug this in. Okay, let's go see what it looks like. Beautiful. Simple, very easy. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching.